Little bit of traffic right now. I can't make as much noise as I want. My goal was not to get as much noise as possible. My goal was actually to get a good sound. When I bought this car, it had the stock exhaust on it. It was pretty much rotted out, just rusted out, just crappy. It had two openings on it that made it sound really, really loud. Had a little bit of a sporty sound because, hey, it's a boxer engine, so, but it sounded like trash. It was obviously broken, just loud. So I switched to this exhaust, and it sounds a heck of a lot better. If you guys know about the 92X, the 92X was purposely made to be quieter inside the cab. There's all this lining with like some rubber coating on it right here in the where the heat shield would be and all that, to deaden the sound from the engine and stuff like that. I put an intake on it. You could barely hear the intake, but the exhaust sounds great. The window's open. I'm gonna give you a little bit of the sound with the windows closed so you can get a feel for that. Kind of sucks, but the car is made to be quieter, so in that sense, I guess they succeeded. They made it definitely quieter when you have the windows rolled up. Excuse me. So we'll start from 1, shift up to maybe 3rd gear. Regular revs too. I'm not revving it up too high, just so you can hear the difference. See, it's pretty quiet, but the windows up. Let you hear the difference. I'll stop again. Start from 1. Windows open, sunroof open. You get a little difference in sound. Again, probably get up to 3rd gear depending on how fast this guy in front of me moves.